Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A10s, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer so we can boot the device into recovery mode. So I will start off by plugging it in. There we go. So once you plug it in, you want to boot it into recovery mode, and the easiest way to do it is by holding the power key and volume down. Once the device turns off, you'll switch to holding power key and volume up. So let's do that right now. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode, so we can also unplug it. We don't need the cable anymore. So in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate. As you can see, volume down should go down. Oh, there we go. I just caught a little lag. So volume, there we go. It's for some reason relatively slow in reacting, but you can navigate using your volume keys, and you want to select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, press power key to confirm it and select yes, and there we go. Cache wipe complete. Reboot system now will be selected by default after it has been completed, so press power key once more to reboot the device and go back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.